Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, I will discuss WireGuard VPN. We will install it on our VPS step by step. WireGuard converts your VPS into a VPN server. If you have a hosting service with other applications on your VPS, you can also install WireGuard alongside them. Then, you can use your VPS's IP as a VPN. First, I will show you a demo. After that, we will begin the installation. You will find all the commands in the description here. Okay. I have already installed it. Let me show you here. This is the IP and port. This is the WireGuard user interface. You can log in here. Okay? Here, you can create a client with any name. For example, I clicked VK Create to make one. To use it on your Android phone, you can scan this QR code. The WireGuard app is available for Android and iOS phones. Install the app and scan the QR code. After that, you can start using the VPN. To use it on a PC, click the download button to get a configuration file. Okay? After downloading, visit the WireGuard website, where you can find apps for all platforms. There are apps for Mac OS, Windows, Ubuntu, and Android. I will demonstrate the Windows app. The interface will look like this, and I will remove what I've already set up. Click Import Tunnel and open the downloaded configuration file. First, let me show you my current IP. My current IP is displayed here. The IP of my VPS is shown here. Now, I will activate the VPN. I'm connecting now. Okay? Once I connect and refresh, my IP will change. My IP will update. The IP of my VPS remains the same. See, it's the same IP. This is how you can use WireGuard as a VPN. That was the demo. Now, let's start the installation. For this, you'll need a VPS. I've included links to the best VPS providers in the description. You can check them out there. To install WireGuard VPN, I have the VPS password here, and I'm using Ubuntu as the OS. You can use any operating system. Okay? If you want to purchase a VPS, you can find the best VPS options here. Okay? Check them out in the description. Now, let's run the commands for installation. I'll install WireGuard using Docker. Using Docker allows you to run multiple containers for different applications. This way, you can run multiple applications simultaneously without issues. No problems will arise. Okay? Here's what you need to do. First, copy your VPS IP address. You can use tools like PuTTY or Bitvice for SSH access. I'm using Bitvice. Okay? In Bitvice, I enter the hostname here. My username is root. The port is 22. I click Login. You need to accept the connection prompt. Copy the password. I entered the password, and now I'm logged in. I open the terminal here to proceed. If you're using PuTTY, type PuTTY, enter the IP, and click Open. Then, enter the password. OK. To install WireGuard, first run the system update command. OK. Next, install the required packages. Let's install them now. I'll run this command here. Copy, paste, and press Enter. To install Docker, update its keys here. Add the Docker repository, paste it, and press Enter to continue. OK. Run the system update command again after adding the repository. We've added the repository here. This command installs Docker and Docker Compose. I've run it here. OK. It's completed. Next, run this command. Start and enable Docker here. OK. Then, run this command. Add the user to the Docker group. OK, it's done. Next, what do you need to do? Create a directory named WireGuard Easy. Navigate to that directory using the cd command in the terminal. OK? After running this command, copy this code. Paste it here. OK. I've done it here. What changes do you need to make? You need to enter your IP address here. I've added my IP here. The language is set to by default. Change it to N for English. Then, enter a hashed password here. Don't use a plain password. It must be hashed. OK? To generate a hashed password, use this command. I'll show it below. Enter your password here. For example, I'll use Wicked as the password. Then, copy this command. I copy it here. This is the command. Paste it here and press Enter. What does it do? It generates a hashed password for you. OK. Copy the hashed password from here. Paste it here. You need to do three things: change the language, update the hostname, and enter the hashed password. Then, copy the configuration from here. Paste it here and press Enter. Once you press Enter, WireGuard will be installed. To access it, do the following. Enter your server's IP and port number here. I'll enter my IP address now. As soon as I enter my current IP address, it will work. A page like this will appear, where you need to enter the password. My password is this one. I copy it, paste it here, and click Sign In. Click New Client and create a client here. I'll create a client named Vikas here. Everything is set up the same way here. I'll use it on Windows. Let me show my IP. This is my current IP ending in 118. My IP is currently this one, so what do? I download the configuration file. Save the config file. This config file is named Vikas1config. OK? I've already installed the WireGuard Windows software from the website. For Android, install the WireGuard app from the Play Store. Then, scan the QR code. Your VPN will start working. OK? I'll show you how to set it up on Windows. Click Import Tunnel File. Select the Vikas1config file. I'll import it here. OK. I'll rename it correctly. I've already renamed it. So, what do I do next? I import the Vikas1config. There was a space in the name. I import it now. Click Activate here. The VPN has started now. This was my original IP. After reloading, the IP changes to my VPS's IP. This is because the WireGuard VPN is now active. Okay. This is the VPS's IP. Okay. You can monitor transfer speeds here. I'll reload it now. When the VPN is active, you'll see incoming and outgoing data here. Okay. You can also back up your configuration here. And manage other settings here. Okay. You can create additional clients here. If you create clients for others, they'll be listed here. You can enable or disable clients from here. To disable or enable a client, use this option. For example, if I deactivate it now and reload, my IP will revert to the original. Okay. It's done. This is how you can install WireGuard VPN on your VPS. You can also set it up on an existing VPS used for other services. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this.